The Pentagon reports that North Korea has sent approximately 10,000 troops to support Russian operations in Ukraine, specifically deploying forces to the contested Kursk region. NATO has flagged this move as a significant escalation, warning that North Korea's involvement represents a dangerous expansion in the ongoing conflict. This troop deployment, though relatively small compared to Russia's extensive military presence along the front lines, raises concerns over potential future cooperation between Moscow and Pyongyang. Analysts suggest that North Korean forces may include specialized commando units, but there is skepticism regarding their combat effectiveness, given North Korea's limited recent combat experience. The broader implications of this alliance have also sparked international concerns, with NATO and other global leaders closely monitoring whether this cooperation will extend to sharing advanced weaponry or even nuclear technology. Such developments could further destabilize the region, impacting security across the Indo-Pacific.